In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a stunning dust particle effect using the amazing Dust Particles Plus add-on. This procedural particle generator is absolutely mind-blowing, and the best part is, it's available for free. Before we get started, I want to mention that I've prepared an awesome stylized treasure chest with assets for you. If you're interested, you can find the free download link in the video description. Now, let's jump into Blender. Start by adding a plane to your scene and make any necessary scale adjustments. Remember to press Ctrl+A to clear the transform. Next, we'll append the dust particle geometry node. Once added, select the plane and go to Add Modifier. Choose the geometry node and select Dust Particle. Now, you'll see the particles in your scene. However, we need to adjust their rotation based on the camera view. Switch to the camera view and select the camera in the geometry node. This will ensure that the particles rotate according to the camera's perspective. Feel free to experiment with different camera angles to see how the particles react. If you enjoy this tutorial, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribed, liked, and shared this video. Your support means a lot to me. Let's dive in and create some mesmerizing dust particle effects in Blender.